everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we're making rice pudding in the Instant Pot. I hope y'all had a wonderful Easter. My family sure did. But today I want to just make a nice, luscious, easy dessert for my family that they're going to absolutely love. So I'm starting out with coconut milk. I got 2 cups. Okay. And then I'm going to add in my rice. I'm using regular long grain rice. You can use whatever rice you want to use. I'm also adding some a teaspoon of cinnamon and a teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay. We're going to give this a stir. And then we're going to pressure cook it for 10 minutes. Okay. We're going to increase it to 10 minutes. All right, we're going to let this come. Once it cooks for the 10 minutes, we're going to let it naturally release for another 10 minutes. And then we'll finish it up from there. Don't go away. We'll be right back. Okay, so we put the lid on, then I realized we left out the water and the salt. So we're adding a cup and a quarter of water to this and a pinch of salt. I am keeping it real here on Mama Z's, that's for sure. All right, if you like this video so far, please give me a thumbs up and comment below. Do you like rice pudding? Have you ever tried rice pudding? Let me know the answers, because those comments, those thumbs ups, they really do help get my video out there to YouTube. I really appreciate it. So we're going to try this again. We're going to put our lid back on. And we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. All right. Got it going. We will see y'all back here in just a minute. Okay. Our timer has went off. It's deep compressurized. I let it go for about 12 minutes, you know. Got busy. But anyway, we're going to open this up and finish this up. Give it a quick stir. Now, if this wasn't just creamy and awesome looking enough, we're going to add one more step to it. We're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. I was using my homemade vanilla. And then a can of sweet condensed milk. I mean, come on. We didn't add any sugar on the front end, so this is acting as our sugar. We're going to give that a good stir. I'm going to let it set for just a second. Let that sweet condensed milk set up. Okay. So final deal is we're going to put this in a pretty cup. Okay, and then I'm going to hit this with just a little bit of my Uncle Steve sweet, it's sweet dessert shake. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of it on top. Now let's give this a try. Okay, we're going to give this a little try. That is really good. If you didn't know, rice pudding is a Depression-era dessert. They would make it because it was cheap and it was easy. And we just made it and made it a lot simpler, a lot quicker using our Instant Pot. I hope you will give this video a try. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite rice pudding recipe, or if you've ever had it, or you're going to try it. Those comments really do help in the way the algorithm works. So thank you so much for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Be sure to check out this video right here where we're making Reese's cookies. We'll see you on the next video.